Yan. So, welcome friends, no? So, let us discuss our next lesson, no? So, previously we have discussed more of general first order differential equations. Okay, so now let us jump into a more specific kind of first order differential equation, which is first order linear differential equation, no? So, konting review lang muna, no? Sabi natin, no, a first order differential equation, it is said to be linear if it is in the form, okay, of dy over dx plus p of xy is equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x are functions of x. Okay, so kapag na-transform natin yung ating DE into this form, it is said to be linear in X. Okay, it is linear in X. Kapag naman dx over dy plus p of yx is equal to q of y, where p of y and q of y are functions of y, it is said to be linear in y. Okay, so how do we solve this kind of differential equations? No, the easiest way of solving first order linear differential equation, no, so we will still use the idea of getting the integrating factor. However, we are not going to equate it using the non-exact method. No, meron na tayong formula na gagamitin for the linear differential equation. So we have, for kapag linear in x siya, we have mu of x is equal to e raised to px dx, integral of px dx, okay? And we have mu of y is equal to e raised to py dy, integral of py dy. So you're just going to evaluate. Okay, and once you have evaluated the value of mu of x, you will just going to plug the value of mu of x and q of x into our formula for the general solution. No? So we have y is equal to 1 over mu of x times integral of mu of x, q of x dx plus c. Okay, or kapag ka naman linear in y siya, we have x is equal to 1 over mu of y multiplied to the integral of mu of y, q of y dy plus c. Okay? Take note lang, when we are solving for the integral, no? For example, ito, yung integral of mu of x, q of x dx, we're not going to add plus c anymore kasi we're just going to get, or rather evaluate this integral, but not really evaluate the entirety of the differential equation as if it is an integral. Okay? Kaya meron na tayong plus c dito sa unahan, kung mapapansin niyo. Okay, so again ha, hindi na magpa-plus c when we are evaluating the integral of mu of x, q of x dx, or even sa mu of y, q of y dy natin. Okay, so let us try to solve, no? So using this method, just remember the formula. So we have our first example, we have y prime plus 2y is equal to 2e raised to x. Okay, so we need again, ano nga yung form natin, no? So we have y prime or dy over dx plus p of xy is equal to q of x. No? So you just need to identify what is p of x and what is q of x. No? Yung ating example, nakaakma na siya dun sa form. 'Di ba kung mapapansin natin, nakaakma na. What is our p of x? 2. 'Di ba? 2 is a function of x, 'di ba? Remember, always constants are functions of any variable. Okay, then we have our q of x, of course, yung nasa kabila. 2e raised to x. Okay, you just need to remember guys, na dapat isa lang yung y. Okay, isa or magagawa nyong magiging isa lang yung y doon sa ating differential equation para maging linear siya. Or else, baka hindi na siya linear, no? Which is, we will be tackling in the, in the latter part of our discussion. Okay, so we have here, p of x is 2, q of x is 2, e raised to x. So let's find mu of x. So we have mu of x, since this is linear in x, no? E raised to the integral of p of x dx. Diba? So we'll have e raised to the integral. What is our p of x? That is 2 dx. Okay, and what's the integral of 2 dx? Of course, that is obviously what? 2x, diba? Hindi na natin ilalagay yung plus c. No, hindi na natin, no need to put plus c. So we have mu of x is equal to, isin natin. Taas ko ha. So we have mu of x is equal to e raised to 2x. Okay, so this is our integrating factor. Now, so we need to just plug, no, y is equal to 1 over, or sulat ko muna in blue, 1 over mu of x, integral ng mu of x, q of x, dx plus c. Okay? So, just plug in, no? Plug nyo lang literal, no? So, we have 1 over e raised to 2x multiply to the integral of e raised to 2x times qx. Ano yung qx natin? 2e raised to x, di ba? So, times 2e raised to x dx plus c. Okay? Tapos, simplify lang muna natin tong integrand natin, no? So, we can integrate. So, we have y is equal to 1 over e raised to 2x, no? Multiply to the integral of what is e raised to 2x times e raised to x, diba? I-add lang natin yung exponent. So, we'll have 2e raised to 3x dx plus c. Okay, so what is the integral of 2e raised to 3x dx? By this time, dapat kaya nyo na mag-use substitution, okay, on your own, no? So, what is the integral? That is 1 over 3. Diba? 1 over 3e raised to 3x. Yun yung integral ng 3e raised to, 3e raised, e raised to 3x. Okay, yun. Medyo nakabubulol ako. Okay, so we have y is equal to 1 over e raised to 2x multiplied to, so we have 2, or sige, ayusin natin. 2 times, ito yung integral ng 3e raised to 3 raised to e raised to 3x, lagi ako nabubulol. E raised to 3x, okay, plus c. Okay, so para lang malinaw, no? So I'll just include a grouping symbol. May sabihin niyo, sir, bakit naglagay ka bigla? Ayan. Okay. Para lang at least malinaw. Baka mamaya kasi malito din kayo. No? Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. So, we can just distribute 1 over e raised to 2x. So, we have y is equal to 2 over 3 times e raised to 3x over e raised to 2x plus c over e raised to 2x. Okay, so just simplify, no? So we have 3x over 2x, that is 3x minus 2x, that is e raised to x na lang. So we have y is equal to 2e raised to x over 3 plus ce raised to negative 2x. This is our general solution. Okay? So, ganun lang siya, no? So, just simply plug, no? Ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? So, we have our next example, no? We have number 2. So, we have here our second example, no? 2 times y minus 4x squared dx plus x dy is equal to 0, no? So, again, this is linear in x, obviously, kasi we have our standalone x attached to dy, no? So, wala tayong problema doon. Okay, so we just need to transform this form into the standard form, yung y prime plus p of x y is equal to q of x. Okay, so we have, pagpalitin ko lang, unahin ko yung dy, tapos distribute yun na yung 2. Ayan. Tapos divide lang natin all sides or all terms by d of x. So obviously magka-cancel to. Ito din, no? This whole equation is just simply 0, no? So we have xy prime plus 2y is equal to 8x squared. So tinranspose ko na, no? Since, sige, pakita natin. So, we have minus 8x squared is equal to 0. Tapos, transpose ko lang, no? This 8x squared sa kabila. So, we'll have xy prime plus 2y is equal to 8x squared. Okay, so, we need just y prime, no? Dito sa term na to. So, just going to divide x on all terms, no? So, this one's canceled. Cancel na rin to. No? So, therefore, we have y prime is equal, y prime plus, plus 2 over xy is equal to 8x. No? So, ito yung ating differential equation in standard form. No? Ito. Ayan. So, just need to identify what is P of X, what is Q of X. Okay, obviously P of X, that is the one attached to Y. No? So, we have 2 over X. And we have our Q of X, no? That is yung nasa right side ng ating equation, that is 8x. Okay, so just using the formula, no? So mu of x is equal to e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So we have e raised to the integral of 2 over x dx. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Lalabas yung 2, then we have the x over x, the integral of that is ln x, no? So we have e raised to 2 ln x. Okay, so to simplify the e raised to ln property, we need to make 2 an exponent of x, no? Pala. Ayan. Ganyan pala dapat. Okay, so we have e raised to ln x squared. Obviously, magka-cancel na to, no? So therefore, our mu of x is x squared. Okay, so this is our mu of x. So using the formula, no? So substitute lang natin. So we have y is equal to 1 over x squared, that is our mu of x, multiplied to the quantity of the integral ng x squared times 8x dx plus c. Okay, ganyan lang siya. Okay, so let's simplify the integral, no? So we have 1 over x squared, the integral of 8x cubed dx plus c. So just applying the basic theorems of integration. So we have 1 over x squared multiplied to the quantity. The integral of 8x cubed is 8x to the 4th over 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2x to the 4th plus c. Okay, then sa distributing the 1 over x squared, so we'll have y is equal to 2x to the 4th over x squared plus c over x squared. Okay, so obviously this one will cancel. Ito mababawasan ng dalawa. So therefore, we have our solution y is equal to 2x squared plus c x raised to negative 2. Now, this is our answer. Okay? So, yun, ganun lang naman siya. Okay? Ayan, napakadali, no? So, next example, no? So, we have our third example here. So, we have xy prime plus 4y is equal to 2x cubed, no? So, madali lang, no? So, we have, let's divide, kopyahin ko muna. Parang yung kanina lang, no? So, just divide all sides or all terms by x, no? So this one will cancel. Okay, just ito mababawasan ng isa, magiging dalawa na lang. So therefore our DE is y prime plus 4 over xy. Okay, is equal to ano nga yung q of x natin? That is 2x squared. Okay, so we have p of x is equal to, may kita habit na sinusulat para hindi ninyo nakakalimutan or hindi kayo nalilito. Ayan. Okay, so this is our p of x and q of x. So we have mu of x is equal to e raised to the integral of 4 over x dx. Okay, so we'll have e raised to 4 ln x, obviously. Diba? Tapos gawin natin exponent si 4. No? Ayan, gawin natin siya exponent. So therefore, we'll have e raised to ln of x to the 4th. So obviously, magka-cancel si e raised to ln. So therefore, we'll have x to the 4th. Okay, ito yung ating integrating factor, our mu of x. Ayan. So substituting to the formula, no? So we have y is equal to 1 over x to the 4th times the integral of x to the 4th times, ano nga yung ating 2x squared, no? So 2x squared yung ating ang tawag dito, yung ating q of x, dx plus c. Ayan. Okay, so just simplify the integral inside. So we'll have 1 over x to the fourth. Okay, multiply to the integral of 2x to the sixth. Diba? That is 2x to the 6 dx plus c. Okay, so evaluating the integral, that is 2 times x to the 7th over 7. Okay, plus c. Then just distribute yung 1 over x to the 4th. So we'll have 2x to the 7th over 7x to the 4th plus c over x to the 4th. So cancel this one. This will just become 3. No? So therefore, we'll have y is equal to 2 over 7 x cubed plus c x raised to the negative 4. Ayan. This is our answer, no? So, ganyan natin siya solve. Okay, then last example, no? Napaka dali, no? This is the easiest example. Di pa pala last, no? May dalawa pa. So, we have x minus 2, y prime plus y is equal to x squared minus 4, no? So, what are we going to do, no? So, just, again, no? Make it in the form of the standard form, no? So, divide all sides by the coefficient of the derivative, no? So, we have, kopyahin ko lang. Okay? So, divide both all terms by x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so obviously, this one will cancel. Kung mapapansin niyo no, yung x squared minus 4, this is factorable. Diba, ano yung factors nito? X plus 2 at saka x minus 2. So, we can cancel the x minus 2 since meron on both, I mean, numerator and denominator. Ang may iwan natin dito is x plus 2. Okay, so therefore, our differential equation is y prime plus 1 over x minus 2 times y. Ihiwalay nyo lang ganito para kita nyo agad ano yung p of x. 'Di ba? So, is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so we have our p of x is 1 over x minus 2. Our q of x is, x lang? No, no, yung buo. Okay ha, yung buo, kahit naka-plus siya, so yung buo pa rin ang kukunin natin q of x. Okay? So, ayan. Then we'll have our integrating factor. Mu of x is equal to e raised to the integral of dx over x minus 2. Okay, remember guys, di ba? Ang gagawin natin u dito is x minus 2. So, derivative of x minus 2, I mean, the differential of x minus 2 is dx. So, wala tayong problema doon. Du over u lang rin to. Ayan ha. Mamaya kasi manalilito sa inyo eh. Ayan, so we'll have e raised to ln ng x minus 2. Okay, so cancel yung ln natin. So, therefore, our mu of x is just simply x minus 2. Ito lang ang ating mu of x. Okay, so we'll have y is equal to 1 over x minus 2 times the integral of x minus 2 times, ano yung ating, asan na yun? Ayun, yung k of x natin, that is x plus 2 dx plus c. Ayan. So, simplify natin to, no? So, babalik lang tayo dun sa ating form. Yung kanina, x squared minus 4 dx plus c. Okay, then evaluating the integral, so we'll have y is equal to 1 over x minus 2 times, no? So, this will become x cubed over 3 minus 4x plus c. Okay? So, Ayan, so distribute lang natin tong 1 over x squared. So we'll have x cubed over 3 times x minus 2 minus 4. Pwede na natin, sige, pwede na naman natin pagsamahin tong dalawang to. Sana ako. Ayan. Pwede naman natin pagsamahin to. No? So this will just become x cubed minus 12x over 3. Diba? So, para at least pag dinistribute natin, nakamultiply na lang to. No? So we'll have y is equal to x cubed minus 12x over 3. Nauuna. Times x minus 2. Then plus c over x minus 2. However, this is quite unpleasant, no? I mean, in the sense na masyadong maraming nangyayari in the denominator of c. We cannot even, I mean, pwede naman, pero magiging c times x minus 2 raised to negative 1 lang siya. So, instead, no? Instead, okay, so we can actually just multiply, no? Express the answer, the solution, implicitly. Kasi diba yung mga nauna natin, explicit solutions yun. We can express this one implicitly. So, we're just going to multiply the whole term by x minus 2. So, this one will cancel. Diba? Tapos, i-multiply na lang natin yung x minus 2 kay y. So, we'll have other ano to or y times x minus 2 is equal to x cubed minus 4. Saan ako? Ayun. X cubed over 3 minus 4x plus c. Okay, then simplify, no? So we have xy minus 2y is equal to x cubed over 3 minus 4x plus c. When we are expressing answers implicitly, we need all variables on the left side. Yung constant na lang or arbitrary constant na lang may iwan sa right side. So lipat ko lang to sa kabila. So we'll have xy minus 2y minus x cubed over 3 plus 4x is equal to c. Tapos, pwede akong mag-multiply ng 3, di ba? Just to eliminate the denominator. So, we'll have 3xy minus 6y minus x cubed plus 12x is equal to c. Kasi diba arbitrary constant naman yan, hindi naman magbabago yung, hindi magbabago yung pagka-c niya. No? Ayan. So, can this be our answer? Yes, no? So, this can be our answer na. So, can factor out, sige, let's factor out 3x between here and here. So, we'll have 3x times y plus 4, no? Minus 6y minus x cubed. No? Ayan. Is equal to c. Ayan. Okay, but I think this one, yung nasa taas, this will do. Ayan, this will do. Ayan, either which or, no? Ayan. Okay? So, yun, no? Yun lang naman for number 4. Okay? So, I hope, guys, medyo malinaw, no? Mas madali naman to kumpara sa integrating factors ng non-exact. No? So, ayan. Puso ko lang kasi medyo kinain na natin yung space kanina. Ayan. So, we have our last example, no? 4x minus 3y dy plus 5y dx is equal to 0. So, it would be quite hard, no? To evaluate this in x, no? So, sabi ko nga, kapag may standalone kapag may standalone multiplied to the opposite variable, opposite differential, no? Just like this one, we have y multiplied to dx, no? So this is linear in y. No, wag niyo na pahirapan yung sarili niyo. This is linear in y. So we'll have 5y dx plus, nirearrange ko lang, no? Tapos I will divide all terms by dy. Cancel. This one obviously is still equal to 0, no? So yeah, 5y dx over dy plus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Since we are linear in y, no, si y, lahat ng y dapat, yung katulad dito, 'di ba, yung negative 3y, mapupunta siya sa kabila. Kasi kanina kaya yung x yung pinupunta natin sa kabila, linear in x yung ating function. Ito kasi linear in y. No, so we'll have 5y dx over dy plus 4x is equal to 3y. Tapos divide nyo lang, no? Divide all terms by 5y kasi dapat yung dx over dy ay standalone. Ayan. So, cancel. Dito cancel yung dalawang y. So, therefore, our differential equation is dx over dy. Okay, plus 4 over 5 5y. Ayan. X. Then, this is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, so, na-transform na natin, no? So, we can now actually solve. Okay, so, ayan. So, we'll have mu of y is equal to e raised to integral py dy na, no? Py dy. Kasi linear in y na nga tayo, okay? Hindi siya pwedeng maging px dx kasi it will not make sense. Mali yung makukuha ninyo. No? So we'll have e raised to the integral of 4 over 5 dy over y. No? So this is e raised to 4 over 5 ln y. Tapos yung 4 over 5, gagawin lang natin siya again, exponent ni y. So, we'll have e raised to ln ng x, or x tuloy. Yan na, namali na ako. Y raised to 4 over 5. So, makakancel si e raised to ln. So, therefore, our mu of x is, or mu of y is y raised to 4 over 5. Okay, so we will have x, di ba, is equal to 1 over y raised to 4 over 5 multiplied to the integral of y raised to 4 over 5 times what is our q of y. Diba? Ano yung q of y natin? It is 3 over 5. Diba? So, times 3 over 5 dx. Dy. Plus c. Diba? So, x is equal to 1 over y raised to 4 over 5. Okay, so, rearrange ko lang yung integral natin para mas madaling makita. Ayan. Then, the integral, no, netong part na to. Okay, is, of course, 3 over 5. Constant times y raised to 4 over 5 plus 1, that will be 9 over 5. over 9 over 5 plus C. Okay? Tapos, ito, no? Kunin natin yung reciprocal, then multiply natin sa numerator, sa exponent. So, we'll have 1 over y raised to 4 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 5 over 9 times y raised to 9 over 5 plus C. Okay, so obviously ito makaka-cancel, cancel, iwan yung 3 sa 9, 'di ba? So we'll have, you can distribute, no? So we have uh 1/3 times y raised to 9 over 5 over y raised to 4 over 5. So plus C over y raised to 4 over 5. Okay? So can cancel this, no? And this one. No, bakit? 9 over 5 minus 4 over 5 is 5 over 5 and it is equal to 1. Okay? So, medyo in-speed calculation ko lang. Okay, kasi 'di ba magma-minus silang dalawa pag same base naka-divide, pag ma-minus yung exponents. So, 9 over 5 minus 4 over 5 is 5 over 5, simply equal to 1. So, therefore, our solution is x is equal to 1/3 y plus c y raised to negative 4 over 5. Okay, this can be our final answer. Okay, so ayun, no? That's it, no? That is the solutions to linear differential equations. Mas madali siya kumpara sa integrating factors. I hope you guys learned something and stay safe. Okay, God bless and see you on the next lesson.